channel. It's Jeunie, and I am back with another review. Another review from Outre, our friends at Outre. I'd like to send a special acknowledgement to our friends at Outre. Thank you guys so much for sending me these beautiful units to review in today's video. And I said these because we are doing a double feature. We are reviewing this gorgeous unit that I am wearing right now called Dannita, and we're also reviewing Charisma. Both units are from Outre's Perfect Hairline Series. You guys, I know that I have said this in a previous video that it's getting harder and harder to keep up with Outre and these new release items. It seems like every week, not even every week, in the same week, I just reviewed 3 units from their Melted Hairline series just a few days ago. Now I'm back at it again with 2 new units from their Perfect Hairline series. And I already saw another unit that I want to review for next week, and so the saga continues. And might I add, you guys, these units do not disappoint. Outre is definitely giving us lots and lots of options for those holiday parties and gatherings, intimate gatherings with family members this holiday season, or just even for family photos. I'm looking for a unit to wear for our family photos. Now, you know, Christmas time is like the perfect time to go ahead and do your family pictures, and our family is getting ready to do family photos, and I'm looking for the one. I'm looking for that unit to rock in the family photos, and I have been eyeing a few of Outre's units, and some top contenders definitely come to mind. This one is it's just, so you guys, I'm not going to hold you. You already know what the Perfect Hairline series is about. I've reviewed a couple of units from their Perfect Hairline series before. I'll leave the link somewhere in the video so you can check those out. I'm thinking of even doing an Outre playlist for my channel, since I'm doing so many wig reviews for Outre and from their collections. It's just, yeah, so to make it easier for you guys to check out everything new and upcoming that's going on with Outre. So I actually did an installation with this unit that I want to share with you guys, and then we'll just roll right into an in-depth look of each of the units. About Dannita. Oh my goodness, this unit is absolutely beautiful. Rocking the color Champagne Fizz. This color is just absolutely gorgeous. Very, very flattering. Not quite a dark root, like a typical dark root, like a dark brown or a black, but still it's dark enough to where you can get a natural look and feel. I'm loving the shoulder length cut. And do you guys see those layers? Absolutely beautiful. This unit actually comes with a faux scalp, and I'm not really feeling the faux scalp part. Really don't need it. We know that Outre is great for innovation, wonderful styles, beautiful looks, but the faux scalp kind of gives us some line of demarcation. So I did go in and cut out the faux scalp. This unit features a very light yaki texture. The hair is very soft, very mild tangling towards the ends, and yes, I absolutely did get shedding, but I don't care because this unit is absolutely beautiful. This unit is very versatile with the parting space. You can switch it up, right or left part. You can also do it down the middle, which is very flattering. Anytime we can get a unit that is an everyday look and style, that is still fun, still sexy, that can just be worn in, so many different settings, I am absolutely here for it. Now, a few drawbacks with Dannita is the faux scalp. It really didn't serve a purpose. I did get a good amount of flyaways with this unit, so you may want to go in with some hairspray to try to tame the flyaways. If you have a more natural color, you may not have that problem. Another issue was the shedding. I did get a good amount of shedding, but again, it may be attributed to the unit having or featuring a light color, and I did get a few tangles toward the end, but nothing that a good brushing out won't solve. Okay guys, next up we have Charisma in the color Cajun Spice. Now this style is full glam. This hair features voluminous curls and a very long length at about 24 to 26 inches. Did I get shedding? Yes. A moderate amount of tangling, but for the most part this unit is manageable. The hairline, of course, is pre-tweezed. The parting space is also pre-tweezed, but this unit came in a little dense for me at the hairline and the parting space. I feel like Outre could have done a little bit better there. The cap construction is good. It's an average size fit. I did not melt the lace on this unit, so this unit is on my head right now glueless, but I felt like I still got a pretty good result. I feel appearance wise the unit looks really good. The drawbacks with this unit is that it's not an everyday style. This isn't a look that you can wear to work or run errands in. This is full glam, so we need to wear this for holiday get-togethers and big events. Another drawback again is the hairline, but overall this unit is very pretty. It's just not an everyday style. Okay guys, what is the verdict? You guys are going to have to tell me what are your thoughts about Dannita and what are your thoughts about Charisma, both from the Perfect Hairline series. I have been loving their short units lately, but you guys know I'm always here for a little bit of length, and that is for sure. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Tell me your thoughts about all these units that Outre has been coming out with the Perfect Hairline series, the Melted Hairline series. Which unit has been your favorite of the season? Okay guys, until my next video, I will see you later.